In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import passwords from and to Google Chrome. This is a simple process, but it does require a bit of navigation through your Chrome settings. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening Google Chrome. Make sure that you are logged into the Google account that contains the passwords you want to export. This is very important because your passwords are tied to your specific Google account. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser where you'll see the three-dot menu, which is your Settings and Options menu. Click on that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Passwords and Autofill, then go to the Google Password Manager. This is your one-stop location for managing all saved passwords in your Google account. Once you're in the Google Password Manager, look to the left-hand side and you'll find the Settings option. Click on it. Now, you're in the right place to begin exporting your passwords. Look for the option labeled Export Passwords. There will be a button labeled Download File nearby. Click it. But before you can download your passwords, you need to confirm your identity for security purposes. This usually involves entering your computer's password or using another form of authentication that you've set up. After successfully confirming your identity, a dialog box will open prompting you to select a location on your computer to save the file. The passwords will be downloaded in a CSV format, which stands for comma-separated values. It's essentially a spreadsheet file. Name it something easy to remember, like Chrome Passwords, and save it. Now let's switch to the Google account where you want to import these passwords. Click on your profile picture in Chrome at the top right and select the alternate Google account. Once you've switched, repeat the earlier steps by clicking on the three-dot menu again. Navigate to Passwords and Autofill, then Google Password Manager. In the left-hand menu, select Settings once more. This time, you want to locate the Import Passwords option. Click on Select File and navigate to the .csv file you saved earlier, labeled Chrome Passwords, or whatever name you chose. Once you've found it, select the file and click Open. At this point, Google Chrome will start importing your passwords. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your passwords have been successfully imported. And there you have it. You've successfully exported and imported your passwords between accounts in Google Chrome. This not only ensures that you have a backup of your passwords, but also makes switching accounts or devices much smoother. I hope this helps in managing your online security with ease.